weather message. For the following counties, Geauga, Cuyahoga, and Lake. The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued an extreme wind warning for Geauga County in northeastern Ohio, northeastern Cuyahoga County in northeastern Ohio, central Lake County in northeastern Ohio, until 5:45 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 5:11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated extreme winds associated with the eye wall of Hurricane Pacifica. We're moving onshore over Bay Bridge, or 11 miles southeast of Shaker Heights, moving northeast at 100 miles per hour. This is an extremely dangerous and life-threatening situation.